living with a chronic disease comes with its own unique challenges. At Provision Data Services, we're here to make that journey simpler, more personalized, and more connected. The D-PROm Assisted application is designed to empower patient lives and enhance their health by seamlessly integrating patient-reported insights into their unique care plan. This short guide walks an administrator and a clinician through installing and configuring the D-PROm Assisted app on an Android or iOS-based smart device. Before we begin, confirm two things. The administrator is signed into PROview and can operate the interface, and the clinician has a smart device with a working camera ready. At the conclusion of this guidance, the D-PROm Assisted app will be available on the smart device's home screen and ready to capture patient insights. Let's get started by sharing the first steps that must be completed by the administrator. The administrator must sign into PROview and click the Tools icon on the left side of the interface. For organizations with multiple sites enrolled, select Site Manager under the Basic column. In the subsequent menu displayed, each site enrolled will be listed under the header, Locations. The administrator should click on a site name and then click on Admin App QR Code, which will generate a PDF formatted document that contains two QR codes, the App Link QR code and the Verification QR code for the selected site. Scrolling the PDF formatted document will provide full visibility to each QR code when needed by the clinician in subsequent steps. Keep this PDF formatted document open while the clinician installs the app. After the verification step is complete, the administrator can close this view on the PROview interface by clicking the red X toward the top right area of the screen. Now it's time for the clinician to install the D-PROm Assisted app on the smart device. Go ahead and pick up the smart device and point the camera at the app link QR code being shared by the administrator. Tap the URL that appears. You'll see a screen that explains the app must be installed to your home screen and that you should only use the home screen app going forward. On iOS devices, confirm opening the link in your browser. Tap the Share icon, the box with an upward arrow, then tap More. Scroll down and select Add to Home Screen. Tap Add on the next screen. The D-PROm Assisted icon will appear on your home screen. Do not open the app until the administrator is ready to display the verification QR code. For Android devices, tap the Install icon directly below the attention screen, then confirm by selecting Install on the confirmation screen. Wait a few moments for the banner that reads, Shortcut to D-PROm A has been installed. The D-PROm Assisted icon will now appear on your home screen. Similar to iOS devices, do not open the home screen app just yet. Wait for the administrator to present the verification QR code. With the administrator now sharing the verification QR code, look for the D-PROm Assisted icon on the home screen identified by a filled red circle with a white A above the label D-PROm. The A stands for Assisted. Go ahead and press the D-PROm Assisted icon. When the 3-star screen appears, tap the 3 stars 3 times in a row. A dialog box will open. Select Yes. If the app asks for camera permission, select Allow or Allow while visiting site, then scan the verification QR code. Scanning links the app to your specific facility and completes configuration. It's now time to sign in with approved credentials. The administrator must select Settings from the leftmost column of the PROview interface and then click on App Authentication in the far right column of the Settings submenu. These actions create a unique, one-time use authorization QR code that will remain valid for 5 minutes only. The clinician should now click the camera icon in the top center of the smart device's screen and scan the authorization QR code to complete sign-in. That's all there is to setting up this robust and secure application. The D-PROm Assisted app is now installed, configured, and ready for the patient information worksheet to be installed. Repeat these steps as needed for each site within the organization. Moving forward, Tap the D-PROm Assisted icon to open the app directly. There's no longer a need to open your browser. And remember, regular interaction with the app ensures a two-way connection between the patient and you, their care team, clinicians, dietitians, and social workers. By capturing patient insights, they are actively shaping their care and unlocking better health outcomes. For more information and on-demand resources, visit our website, www.provision-data.com. Together, let's empower life and enhance health.